Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Xbox app not working or not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on Task Manager. After that here you just need to find Xbox and you just need to click on In Task. Once it will done, you just need to close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to your start or search menu, type services.nsc. Now press enter from your keyboard, and here you just need to find our game services. So here it is, as you can see, game services. So right click on it and click on restart. Both the service you just need to restart. Also you just need to restart Xbox Authentication Manager. So here is the Xbox Live Auth Manager. So you just need to right click and click on restart. After done, close this window. Also you just need to check your time and date is correct or not. So for that you just need to right click and click on adjust time and date. And here from here you can check your time zone is perfectly working or not. If it is not, then you have to set the time zone from here. Okay. After that, close this window. Now still if you're facing same issue, then I will suggest you to reset your Xbox app. For that you just need to right click on your start menu button, click on settings, click on apps from your left side. On your right side, click on installed apps. Here you just need to find Xbox. Here is the Xbox app, as you can see. So click on this three dot button beside of Xbox app. Click on advanced options, and here you will get three options, which is terminate, repair and reset. So first you have to click on terminate, then you have to click on reset, and after done you just need to close this window, and you just need to go to your start or search menu and type over here run. Click on run app. After open run app, you just need to type wsreset.exe. Now press enter and it will reset your Microsoft Store. Once it will done, check your Xbox app is working perfectly or not. If it is not, then I will suggest you to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. For that you just need to right click on your start menu, go to settings. Then here you just need to click on apps on your left side. On your right side you have to click on installed apps and find over here Xbox, and after that click on this three dot button and click on uninstall. After uninstall you just need to go to store, Microsoft Store, and you just need to install the search over here my Xbox and install that Xbox app from here, and after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.